right? So you're trying to improve your ads manager, you're trying to improve your marketing for 2020, you're trying to get that cream of the cream transactions at the top of your funnel, right? So what I'm meaning by that is that you want to accelerate most importantly, the ROI of your client, but most importantly, the lifetime value of your client as well, meaning that you want to get people that are ready to buy right now, but you want to get people that are specifically wanting to buy something that you're offering in terms of your coaching services, your gyms, your PT, your one-on-one services, your memberships, anything, your apps, anything like that. So the things that we do this by is understanding that we want to target specific audiences, right? So you start your ad campaign, you want to go down and you want to make sure that you're looking at things like weight loss, you're looking at things like types of food, you're looking at things that people are typing into Facebook all the time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Ads Manager. What we're going to then go do is over here and understand that coming down here, this is the number one thing that people do wrong, is they try and put a custom audience that they've already engaged with, right? So it could be numerously deep down the funnel. This is how people get confused. So let's say I went down and did one of my pelvic floor videos, 19,000 people. If I put things in here, like a detailed targeting, let's just use suggesting weight training, it's going to decrease the audience size. And even worse, if we put something bigger than that, if we say like weight loss, it's going to completely eliminate the kind of results that we want to get. So we want to make sure is that stuff is already situated in the audience size before we add those custom audiences, because this is the top of your funnel. So we want to make sure that at the bottom of your funnel, where the people are going to convert the most, that is going to be the cream of the cream. But the way you can accelerate the process and really use this to your advantage is using this technique. Now, the location doesn't matter. The location can be anywhere in the world. But what we can do is detailed targeting. So for instance, if let's say we put Ashley Vines, right? So someone in the fitness industry that has got a big social presence, 2.2 million people, or 340,000 people at this point. What we can do here is go narrow audience. So instead of excluding people, we can narrow the audience. And you're like, Matt, why would we narrow the audience? Now, there's two different things we can do. We can narrow the audience to be too specific, but at the moment, the audience size is perfect, right? So they're saying that the audience size is perfect. All we're going to try and do is narrow the people based on previous experiences that they've had on Facebook. So what we want to do is come down here and push narrow audience. We want to type in engaged shoppers, which means based on here that people who have clicked on the call to action in the past few weeks and that are pretty much ready to buy right now. So all I've talked about previously is talking to someone from the top of the funnel to get them all the way to the bottom, that they're going to be ready to do this. But we can actually, because this is the top and we're creating audiences based off this, we can actually create really, really high valuable audiences before we've even got to the call to action. So these people are going to be ready to invest in your products. They're going to be ready to engage in your products, and they're going to be very, very accessible when you get to that call to action at the bottom of the funnel. So we can put engaged shoppers, and you can see here that it's already eliminated nearly half of the population size that we had before. So if we eliminate this, it goes to 340,000. If we add in, like we just did before, engaged shoppers, it eliminates it to 130,000. So before you've even put any money in this ad, before you've even run any of your profitable ads, before you've run any of your engagement ads, your call to actions, your anything, I've just literally saved you a lot of money through your ads campaigns and your ads budgets. And I guarantee you, by the time you convert that client from the top to the end of your funnel, they're going to be, most importantly, the people that are going to be in your business the longest. They're going to pay your company the longest, and they're going to get the best transformations for your testimonials, your progress photos, your client appreciation posts, and most importantly, they're going to value you just as much as you value them, which is extraordinarily important to have in your business, because it's easier to get clients from existing clients than it is to try and find new clients all the time. So the biggest goal that we want to do is make sure that we're actually getting clients that want to stay in our business. They're going to get new results all the time. They're going to push the boundaries, and they're going to bring new people in. So these people that are ready to buy right now, they're going to not only accelerate the process in order from top to bottom, they're going to be long-lasting clients. They're going to pay you a lot of money, and they're going to respect your time and energy. So I truly hope that helped your Facebook ads campaigns for 2020. And most importantly, I hope it helps your lead generation in the future as well, and you can get some amazing clients and make some amazing money both online and doing face-to-face. If you are struggling to comprehend this, if you are struggling to generate leads and you want some more ideas, to say thank you for watching this video for as long as you have, I'm offering you 2 free breakthrough strategy calls with myself, half an hour each, going over all the flaws that are in your systems right now. There's going to be no sales pitches, no strings, no anything attached. I just want to help you accelerate the process and make you a lot of money for 2020. Because when you're financially free, when you don't have to look over the shoulder, when you can support your family and do things you love, that is all I want. That is all I want in return. So all you have to do is go down below, scroll up from this video. I'm still going to be talking to you while you're booking in. Click on a time, make sure you change the time zone to what your time zone is. Find a time that suits you. Answer the questions so I can understand a little bit more about you before the call. Pick a time that suits you, and I will talk to you very, very soon.